parents, welcome to Pogo Kids.
I am running a Smart Q program in a curriculum in Pogo Kids. Ma'am give us an opportunity to run a Smart Q program curriculum in this school. It's very honor. I am very thankful to ma'am. In this program, we are focusing on a GK, IQ-based puzzle, grip-based puzzle, as well as crossword. Crossword, what is the benefit of crossword? Which is a vocabulary bit. And IQ-based puzzle, which is give a child to be a logical all the time. And GK, it's very interesting. We make the child to understand what is GK. Means exactly एखादा topic आपण घेतला about the bicycle. We tell them the each and every part in a detail. आणि त्याचा exactly motto काय? Why the cycle need a handle? Why the cycle need a handle? Why the cycle need a basket? Each and every part we discuss with the kids and we ask them why it's so. आणि ह्याच्यात बेसिकली आन्सर देण्याकरता मागचा मोठो काय की सगळ्यांसमोर येऊन त्यांनी त्यांचं रिझन सांगायचे ज्याच्याकडून त्यांची कॉन्फिडन्स लेवल बिल्ड करतो. देखो आईज में डिफरेंस है. देयर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन द आईज. कम ऑन. नीचे करना है. यू नीड टू सर्कल इट डाउन. यस. बोलो. वो हो गया है. इट इज ऑलरेडी डन. निशान ने कुछ किया है. निशान ने कुछ किया है. See, there is a difference between calf ear. This is at a sleeping line. Both the ears are in a sleeping line. One is a sleeping line, one is little bit in a standing line. So you need to circle. Nishan coming out with that 4 difference. कर लिया. You need to read. Where is number 1? Down and cross. What is the meaning of down? You need to write in a standing position, right? Standing line में you need to write it down. And what is the cross? You need to write it down in a sleeping line, right? So where is my number 1? It is in a down, right? So what is the picture? Can you see the picture? What? I am showing you the box now. Dhanashri, I am showing you the box. H A T. So T is already mentioned here. So you need to write T is there. So you need to write only O P. T O P. Season ball, huh?
Yes. P-A-D-S, pants.
I do agree. What is my question, Nilesh? P, are you using? What are you using every time this pad, helmet and gloves when you are playing in your building? तुम्हारे बिल्डिंग में तुम खेलते हो संडे के दिन तो ये सब पहन के खेलते हो? हाँ? नहीं. कौन पहनते हैं? Nowadays the cricket match are going on, right, on the TV. हाँ. क्यों नहीं पहनते? हाँ? बड़े लोग. कौन बड़े लोग खेलते हैं? जैसे कि सचिन तेंदुलकर.
तो मैं ड्राइंग बोलता हूँ आप लोगों को कैसे करना है. हाउस का ड्राइंग चलेगा. इसके बाद ये जितने इसमें ये आप लोग डिजाइन ये कर सकते हो. यहाँ पे डोर का ड्राइंग आप लोगों को ये यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा सेमी सर्कल ये करके अगर करना चाहिए डिजाइन थोड़ा सा अलग होना चाहिए करना है तो कर सकते हो. यहाँ पे को डिजाइन करना है तो उसके बाद यहाँ पे स्ट्रेट लाइन मारो। ओके ठीक है, इसका पैर ठीक से निकालो, ठीक नहीं है सॉफ्ट शूज में। इसके बाद यहाँ पे ग्रास। ऐसे ही बना, मैं बोला ठीक से नहीं आ रहा है, ऐसे बना इस साइड में, रेस कर दो। ओके यहाँ पे क्लास, ठीक है, यहाँ पर कॉपी करो, यहाँ पे ठीक है, बैलेंस करने के लिए यहाँ पे, ठीक है, यहाँ स्क्रीन।
In this school, the atmosphere is very lovely, atmosphere is very caring, and also what I see after 3 years that my child is strong in each and every aspect. He is strong in education, he is strong in sports, or he is strong psychologically also that he can face everything right now. So this is my experience about this kid. So this is my advice to all the parents that whenever you want to enroll your child, enroll in a small school or like a kindergarten, like Pogo Kids, so that he can have the lovely atmosphere, he can build up his confidence, and later on for the first year he can face all the atmosphere what he has to face in the new school.
Come on, this side. Lovely. 5, 6, 7, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And back in the stuff.
as a parents, we have some, some preferences. Some people think about the education style, the mode of teaching. But to me, what happened or what appeared first, I gave the preference first about the safety and security of my child. So when I visited this institute, I saw that this is a completely fenced boundary, and with I also ensured that only unless parents are coming, don't hand over their childs, and which first triggered me. Okay, it is a safe place I can put my daughter, and that is the first thing. And over the 3.5 years, I have experienced this safety and security aspect is perfectly all right. And this is a real concern nowadays, everywhere, if you see the right from news bulletin to even telecast. The second aspect, if we see about the cleanliness and hygiene, I have never seen a single day when my daughter says, I don't want to go to school. Even sometimes it happened during rainy season, or sometimes she got some illness or there, so we thought we are reluctant not to send, but she was insisting that why not to go to school. So this is a very good thing. I think entire credit goes to the school environment, principal madam, because this is what I wanted as a parent, that it is a long journey, because nowadays this education is not a shortcut. You have to make a very long, stubborn, persistent, insistent, and perseverance, and long way to go. Then only one has to. And finally, objective was everybody same. So that way I gave the preference that she never should not be unwilling to face this music of teachers or others, that with the fear that if we go, something will happen. So never I have faced this.
All the parents who are viewing this website, I would like to tell you some features about our school. We ensure you the best quality of education for your kids in kindergarten section with an update of a smart class and overall development of your child. I would like all the parents who want to enroll their kids in kindergartens visit our school at least once. Branches right now, one in Khanda Colony, one in Panvel, and one in Kamuti. Thank you.